To prevent future dead fob issues, replace the CR2032 battery in your key fob regularly. This small coin cell battery powers the transponder chip and can be swapped easily at home. For added security, consider Ford Pass Digital Key, available for 2050 plus Mustangs. This allows you to start your car with your smartphone via NFC or Bluetooth, providing a convenient alternative to physical keys. Automotive security trends are moving away from physical keys towards digital and app-based solutions. However, physical backups persist due to regulatory requirements ensuring emergency access. While relay attacks on keyless systems are a concern, Ford is implementing anti-relay features in newer models to enhance security. Stay updated on software updates via the Ford Pass app, which can sometimes resolve fob connectivity issues without hardware changes. Remember to always carry a spare fob and consult your Ford owner's manual for detailed procedures to avoid voiding warranties.